fix Snapchat custom notification sound reverting. So to fix the Snapchat custom notification sound that keeps reverting to the default, the first thing what you can do is verify the Snapchat Plus status. Just confirm your subscription is active, because custom notification sounds for specific friends revert if the subscription lapses. Now the next thing what you can do is open the Snapchat app on your device, then tap your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now tap settings in the top right corner of your screen, then scroll down to privacy control section, then tap clear data. Now tap clear cache at the bottom, then tap clear one more time to confirm it. Now Snapchat will ask you to restart the app. Simply tap OK to close it and then restart the Snapchat app. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap an update to get the latest version, or just go to the existing Snapchat app on your device, tap and hold on it, then tap delete, then tap remove app. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Once you do that, go to your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, find the Snapchat app and then reinstall the app to entirely clear corrupted sound preferences files. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.